In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Webflow on website. If you've ever noticed the little Made in Webflow badge on the corner of your published site and want a cleaner, more professional look, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from your dashboard to the setting that turns the badge off, and I'll point out a couple of gotchas along the way. Start by opening the Webflow dashboard and signing in. You should land on the list of your projects, find the site you want to update, and open its site settings. This is different from opening the designer. We're going into the project's configuration panel. Before the toggle becomes available, you need an active paid site plan on that project. The badge can't be removed on the free staging plan. If you don't have a plan yet, choose one of the website or e-commerce plans and complete checkout. Workspace plans don't control the badge. Only the site plan on the specific project does. Once billing is active, continue. Inside Site Settings, open the General tab. This is where core controls for the live site live, including branding preferences. If you adjust on the Plans tab to subscribe, simply switch back to General at the top. Scroll down until you find the Webflow branding section. It's labeled clearly and usually sits in the lower part of the page. Here you'll see the option that controls whether the Made in Webflow badge appears on your published pages. Turn off the Made in Webflow option. After flipping the toggle, save your changes if a Save button appears, then publish your site to apply it on the live domain. Publishing ensures the change is reflected both on your custom domain and the Webflow staging domain. A quick note on results. If you still see the badge after publishing, try a hard refresh, view the site in an incognito window, or clear your cache. Also, confirm you changed the setting on the correct project and that the site plan is active. Only users with the right permissions can change branding, so make sure you have access. The toggle affects only the automatic Webflow footer badge. If you manually placed any badge or link in your layout, remove it there as well. And remember, this preference is set per site, so repeat these steps for any other projects where you want the badge hidden. And that's it. You've removed the Made in Webflow badge by enabling a site plan, heading to Site Settings, opening the General tab, finding Webflow branding, and turning the toggle off. Publish, verify, and enjoy a cleaner footer on your site.